In circle O, seconds KLM and KPN are drawn from external point K, such that points L, M, N, and P are on circle O. If KL is 10, KP is 8, and PN is 14 more than LM, what is the length of segment LM? So first we will draw the circle. This is our circle O. We have external point K, and we have that 2 seconds KLM and KPN are drawn from external point K. So this is our point K. This, of course, should be O, the circle O. We have seconds and the second will be the second K, L, M, and we have K, P, N. We know that the second segment is the segment that contains part of a circle and has exactly one endpoint outside the circle. So this is our second KLM, and this is our second KPN. This part, KL, we call external segment. So KP is also external segment. KM and KN are our second segment. We have that KL is 10, KP is 8, PN is 14 more than LM, 14 more. So PN will be, if we have that ML, will be X, then PN will be 14 more than LM, so will be X plus 14. We have to find the length of our LM. So our unknown is LM segment, and I just put that this is our X. We will use here segments of seconds theorem, which tell us that if two second segments share the same endpoint outside a circle, then the product of lengths of one second segment and its external segment equals to the product of the length of the other second segment and its external segment. These segments of seconds theorem tell us that in our example we have KL external segment times KM second segment is equal to KP external segment, the second external segment, times KN, the second segment. So we can write that from segments of seconds theorem we have that KL times the product of KL external segment and second segment KM is equal to external segment of a second, so this is Kp times Kn. To find ml, we will just use this theorem. We have given that KL is 10, so we can substitute KL by 10 times Km is 10 plus x, or we can write x plus 10. Kp is 8 given times Kn is 8. Kn is 8 plus x plus 14. Let me rewrite this one more time. 10 times x plus 10 is equal 8 times, first we will write x, plus 8 plus 14 is 22. Now we will do multiplications. 10 times x is 10x, 10 times 10 is 100 is equal 8 times x is 8x, 8 times 22 is 176. Now I will move expressions with unknown to the left, so we will have 10x minus 8x, because it was positive on the right side, so now when we move to the left will be negative. This is equal 176. 100 we move to the right, so will be negative 100. So we have 10 minus 8 is 2x is equal 176 minus 100 is 76. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So we have that x and x, 2 and 2 we reduce. So we have that x is equal 38. We found x, and x is our unknown segment LM. 38. This is my solution.